Alright, so it's about time we did our quick review on Cookie Monster. Now this was bought from Amazon. The link will be provided in the description of this video. But you guys can see the tags that it comes with. These are the tags. That's about it. Now my adult hand does fit inside. And at first it was a little bit tight. So as you use this more and more, your hand will actually expand everything inside of it, so it'll fit better and better every time. Now you can handle the mouth and you can go for the arms as well. However, talking with the mouth and doing the hands, I can't do that. I have to do one at a time. Other than that, the eyes are not a problem if they ever do come off. They haven't come off so far, but if they ever do, they're big enough so it's not a choking hazard. So once again, I want to show you my hand. As you guys can see, an adult hand does fit inside just fine. Now, the only drawback about Cookie Monster, and actually, I noticed that Elmo has the same thing happening, is this. See this? This actually, it doesn't come off easy. So if you pull on it, it's not gonna come out. However, once your baby starts going and biting this, there will be some pieces coming out. So you'll notice that on the mouth, that's where he bites it the most, there's less. He's not going bald yet, but you guys can see some spaces there, and that's because he has taken off a little bit of this stuff. So right here, you can see kind of a bald spot. So yes, they do come out, and we found that out around 10 months or 11 months when he was biting a lot. That's when we saw in his mouth, there was like quite a bit of this. You have to take it out. So from then on, we only allowed him to play with this when he's supervised. So when we're playing with him, he gets to play with this, so that way we know and we can take out any pieces that are left over in his mouth. Other than that, right now that he's 14 months old, he doesn't bite this as much, and I really haven't noticed anything inside his mouth anymore. So it's just less biting. So I would say as of now, that would be the only drawback about Cookie Monster. And it's usually really hard to get something that an adult hand can go inside so you can actually play with your kids. Plus a big factor for me was the eyes, because I didn't want them to be a choking hazard if they ever do come out, which they haven't yet. But that would be it for this really short review. Other than that, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.